What if I told you Apple's next big AI move is not about iPhones at all? While Google, Meta, and OpenAI battle for chatbot supremacy, Apple has been surprisingly quiet. But behind the silence, they've been plotting something far more ambitious, a wave of AI hardware that could change how we live, work, and even travel. So let's dive into Apple's glorious AI comeback and why it might just work. Everyone says Apple's late to the AI race to catch up by a strong startup like Perplexity, but Apple's answer may actually be brilliant. Remember plot twist from May 2025? OpenAI just bought iPhone designer John Ive's AI device startup, the man behind the iPhone design, for a staggering $6.4 billion. So guess what? Apple is planning on a glorious comeback focusing on AI hardware that involves robots, a smart speaker with a display, AI-powered home security cameras, and of course, a new version of Siri, or should I say Apple Intelligence. Front and center, a tabletop robot, Apple's virtual companion, slated for 2027, and Apple-grade home security, one that doesn't just watch, but adjusts your lights, locks, and thermostat like a fancy minimalist butler. Sounds familiar? Right, because Google, Samsung, and Amazon are already doing something similar. Will the magic return? Though maybe Apple's next iPhone may not be a phone, but a robot. While robots sounds futuristic, Apple's already putting AI into your devices you carry today. Let's start with something way smaller. Yeah, but what if I told you your next travel buddy isn't an app? It's your AirPods. Apple just unveiled the AirPods Pro 3, and the headliner this time isn't sound quality, finally, it's real-time translation. Tap both stems, and suddenly you're ordering coffee in Paris or asking directions in Berlin. No awkward charades required. Apple Intelligence listens, translates, and whispers the answer straight into your ear. Here's the catch. Live translation isn't coming to the EU at launch. The $215 earbuds that instantly translate French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish into English arrive in the US first. And the feature also comes to AirPods Pro 2 and AirPods 4, so millions of users can enjoy it without buying any new hardware. Thank goodness. Not another sneaky forced upgrade from Apple, or does it? Of course, Apple is alone. Google's Pixel now translates live calls and even mimics the speaker's own inflections, making it sound like you are still talking to the same person. Meta's smart glasses project translates straight to your screen, while OpenAI's assistants build fluid translation into conversations on the fly. Everyone's racing to erase language barriers, and looks like they all got a gimmick. So did the AirPods Pro 3 just spark a bigger translation war? While AirPods break language barriers when you travel back home, Apple is pairing them with Apple Watch for something even bigger, your personal health. Did you know your AirPods Pro 3 and Apple Watch now team up for smarter physics tracking? What's that even mean? You see, instead of relying on just one sensor, your devices constantly compare signals and select the one that provides the best reading. So, how does it work exactly? When you wear both the watch and your AirPods Pro 3, they constantly compare heart rate signals in real time. Every 5 minutes, the system decides which device is more accurate and switches automatically. Why is that though? Because workouts mess with sensors. A tight rest when doing push-ups can throw off the watch. A earbud sitting snuggle in your ear canal can catch the pulse with less motion interference. And when you're running, the watch usually brings over AirPods. All that data flows into the Health app, showing exactly which device gives the most reliable reading at every stage of your workout. So the real question isn't just whether AirPods can out-track your watch. It's whether Apple just revealed the future where your doctor's first diagnosis may come out from the device already in your pocket. If you like this breakdown, check out deep dive into Apple's secret to success, or this video about what Elon Musk's AI ambition meant for your future already on the channel. Subscribe to our channel and newsletter so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you in the next one.